watch it. He did not do anything. I will be focusing here.
Welcome to
It will
Unacademy.
not work out all this. So please understand.
Crack it.
You have to be more
In this
and
video,
more.
we are going to discuss about the Taylor series, concepts of the Taylor series, and follow
Should be aware of this.
previous year questions. And India's largest weekly competition for GATE, access your GATE preparation within the 60 minutes. And challenging and original GATE questions. All the questions are original GATE questions, and curate best educator in the platform. Take it live with the All India leaderboard. Okay, and for each question you will get the leaderboard, so you can analyze your position in the All India leaderboard. Identify and improve your weak areas through the detailed video solutions. Then you are going to get the department wise benefits. Okay, stream wise: mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, and computer science. Stream wise benefits you are going to get, and use the referral code to enroll into the compact Moorthy 536. Then you can get the benefits. And if you crack the Unacademy compact, so what kind of benefits you can avail? And if you secure the rank 1 to 3, complimentary Unacademy plus subscription for completely 1 year. And if you secure the rank from 4 to 10, and 75% offer on Unacademy plus subscription for the teacher of your choice. And if you secure the place from 11 to 50, and 50% offer. And if you secure the place from 51 to 100, it's for the individual stream, not for common. For the individual stream they are giving the benefits. And 25% offer on the Unacademy plus subscription and teacher of your choice. What the things you can get: 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, and 24 months GATE and ESE plus subscriptions you can avail. And if you crack the Unacademy compact, then one more thing, the very important thing, price hike is coming soon for the GATE and ESE category in the forthcoming day. So if in case you are planning for the plus subscription, so this is the right time to take the subscription and avoid the price hike, right? So you can beat the price hike by taking the subscription in this month itself. And the Spark, these are the batch course details. And Spark GATE 2022 wave for GATE 2023, completely English batch. Complete all the topics will be discussed in English by Praveen Kulkarni sir, Devendra Singh Negi sir, Vivekanand sir, and myself. We 4 together handling the complete course. The course started at the Plus platform 16th June in this month. So if you start the preparation now itself by taking the subscription on the Plus, so you can crack the GATE 2022 as well as 2023 very easily. Use the code Moorthy 536 to enroll into the batch course. Batch course means it's complete syllabus. 100% syllabus will be completed, and test series for the each topic, the weekly quizzes, and after completing the subject, the mega quiz will be conducted. It's like an online test, right? So you can test your preparation after completing the each subject. And Laksha as well as Arohan, and one more batch for the mechanical engineering. Okay, it's combined one, Hindi plus English. Praveen Kulkarni sir, Devendra Singh Negi, J.S. Gill, Rajiv Singh, Aditya Gupta, Akash Tyagi. We are going to start the course at 23rd June. 23rd June, 10:45 AM by Akash Tyagi sir, 3 reaffirmations. Okay, so these are the benefits you are going to get in the platform. Now we are moving into the Taylor series. So what is Taylor series and how we are going to apply? So before moving to the Taylor series, so these are all the all India ranks secured by the Unacademy learners in the GATE 2021. It's mechanical engineering. Karan Mishra, it's Air 12. Ramji Gupta, Air 14. It's mechanical engineering. And Air 24, Shivam Gupta and Shatvik and Shubham Bansal. So these are the all India ranks. Below 100 ranks secured by the Unacademy learners in GATE 2021. Likewise in production engineering, so it's engineering science. Then GATE 2021 rankers in the civil department and chemical department, computer science and IT all India ranks below 100 rank. And electrical engineering, Air 4, Air 8, Air 15, Air 15, Air 19, Air 20, Air 26. So these are the all India ranks secured by the Unacademy learners in electrical department category. And here GATE 2021 Electronics and Communication. Here Siddharth Sabharwal sir secured the All India rank 1 in GATE 2021. Rank 1. And it's instrumentation, right? And it's environmental science and engineering. Now we are moving to the topic engineering mathematics from the calculus chapter Taylor series. So, and based on the Taylor series, and we are going to expand the functions. And where we are applying this Taylor series, where we are applying, whenever the given function it follows the midpoint point, and the series follows about the region, then we are going to use the Taylor series. And formula for the Taylor series single variable function, and Taylor series for function of single variable, Taylor series for the function f of x at x is equal to a is given by f of x f of a plus x minus a divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a. X minus a, here a, it's a point at which we are going to expand. Sometimes it may be an origin point. In case they didn't mention anything regarding the point at which we are going to expand Taylor series, then we need to assume the point is above the origin point. Okay, in the problems they will mention the value of x, that is a. Now plus x minus a the whole square divided by 2 factorial double dash plus x minus a the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a. It's a condition, right? X minus a, so it's 1 factorial 1 dash, x minus a the whole square 2 factorial, here f double dash of a, x minus a the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a. Is it clear now? Okay, now with some problems, now I am going to explain the Taylor series, then you will get some clarification on the Taylor series. In the Taylor series expansion of e power x above the point, it's equal to x is equal to 2. So this is the condition. And when the function f of x is expand, okay, the Taylor series, the expansion for the f of x at x is equal to a. The generalized formula for the Taylor series, we know that f of x is equal to, it's f of a plus x minus a divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a plus x minus a the whole square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus x minus a the whole power q divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a plus x minus a the whole power 4 divided by 4 factorial into f 4 dash of a. It extends, series extends, it's a generalized formula, right? In the Taylor series expansion, the function they are giving e power x, it's equal to the f of x. Above the point, x is equal to 2. And if you take the condition, listen, if function f of x is equal to e power x, f of x is equal to e power x, at the point x is equal to 2, instead of a, what we need to substitute here? Instead of a, we need to substitute the value 2 in this equation. What they are asking? Coefficient of x minus 2 the whole power 4. So what will be the coefficients? It's a first term, second term, third term, fourth term, x minus a the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a, fourth term, fifth term, and it extends, right? Sometimes they will mention identify the coefficient of the third term or identify the second term. Specifically they will mention the place. Here it's a first term, it's second, third, likewise. Identify the fourth term. Specifically they will mention. Here what they are asking, coefficient of x minus 2 the whole power 4. So we need to identify the coefficient value. Now what I am going to do, listen it carefully. Here f of x is equal to e power x. So this is the condition, right? Here f of x is equal to e power x. Now the f of x function expanded about the point x is equal to 2. Now it's f of x, it's equal to f of 2 plus x minus 2 which a whole divided by 1 factorial into f dash of 2 plus x minus 2 the whole square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus x minus 2 the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a plus next one it's x minus a the whole power 4 divided by 4 factorial x minus 2 into f not 2 it's not a it's 2 f double dash of 2 f triple dash of 2 here f 4 dash of 2. So this is what we need to identify. What they are asking here from this equation, so it's self-explanatory, right? X minus to the whole power 4, where we are having the x minus for the whole power 4, so here we are having, right? So it's a x minus to the whole power 4, it's a function. It is not visible. Wait a minute, once again I will write, then you will get it. Okay, here the value x minus 2 the whole power 4 divided by 4 factorial into f4 dash of 2. So this is what we need to identify, f4 dash of 2, right? So the coefficient value, what coefficient value we need to identify? In the question they are asking, it's a x minus 2 the whole power 4, and if you take the x minus 2 the whole power 4, so this is the value, right? X minus to the whole power 4 coefficient, that is f4 dash of 2 divided by 4 factorial. So this is what we need to identify. The function f of x is given as e power x. Now in this equation I am going to give you f of x is equal to e power x, right? Now if f dash of x is equal to e power x, f double dash of x is equal to e power x. N time differentiation, the same value we are getting, right? For the if you differentiate the e power x n time, the same e power x we are getting, it's a e power x. Now what I am going to give you is an f dash of f of a. So we are going to start with f of a. Now the coefficient value we need to calculate, right? X minus to the whole power 4 divided by 4 factorial into f4 dash of 2. What will be the f4 dash of 2? f4 dash of 2 is equal to e power 2, right? And now the coefficient, what about the coefficient value here? And if you take the coefficient x minus to the whole power 4 coefficient, e power 2 divided by 4 factorial. So this will be the answer, coefficient, right? Here it's option C, e power 2 divided by 4 factorial is the answer. Is it clear now? Here you don't confuse here. Once again I will give you some clarification on the formula. F of x, we need to keep the function f of x is f of x. Here f of 2 means it's e power 2, right? Here we should not substitute x is equal to a. Here x is equal to 2 means in that formula we should not substitute here x is equal to 2. Instead of the value a, we are going to substitute. We are going to expand about the point 2. So we should not replace this x by 2, right? We need to keep this x as x. Only the value a is replaced. That means x is equal to a means x is equal to 2. Instead of a, we are going to replace the number 2. The x is same as x in the final equation. So this is the Taylor series formula, right? And if we discuss 2 more problems, then you will get the clarification. I am going to give you the one more question here. Series expansion for the function sin theta. If they are not mentioning anything regarding the it's a sine series, it's directly we can take, but I will explain it. The series expansion, let function is expanded about expansion, let expansion. They didn't mention expansion, therefore now take it's theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0. Expansion about theta is equal to 0. Now we know the Taylor series function. As per the Taylor series function, instead of x we are going to take the theta. Now it's f of x, it's equal to, sorry, f of theta. F of theta is equal to, it's f of a plus theta minus a, right? Theta minus a divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a plus theta minus a the whole square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus theta minus a the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a. Now we are going to expand the function. First one, f of theta is equal to sin theta. Now f dash of theta, so up to the f double dash we are going to identify. Now f dash of theta is equal to sin theta differentiation, it's a cos theta. F double dash of theta is equal to sin differentiation, sorry, cos differentiation minus sin theta, right? Here it's f triple dash, right? Now f triple dash of theta is equal to, again, minus sin theta differentiation minus cos theta. Now substitute f of a, that is equal to f of 0. Here theta is equal to 0, so we need to substitute, it's equal to 0. If you substitute sin 0, what about the sin 0 value? It's equal to 0. Likewise, f dash of a is equal to f dash of 0, it's equal to cos 0. Cos 0 is equal to 1. Now f double dash of a is equal to f double dash of 0 minus sin 0, it's equal to 0. F triple dash of a is equal to, is it clear now? I hope it's clear for all the numbers, right? So how to simplify this equation, and if we discuss one more problem, complete clarification you will get, right? Is it clear now? So what we are going to expand now, substitute f of theta is equal to, the expansion is equal to f of a. What will be the f of a? I will give it, listen. Here f of a is equal to 0 plus theta minus 0, a is equal to 0 divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a, f dash of a is equal to into 1 plus theta minus 0 the whole square divided by 2 factorial, f double dash of 0, a is equal, theta is equal to 0, that a plus theta minus 0 the whole cube, it's a whole divided by 3 factorial into minus 1, sorry, here it's minus 1, right, into minus 1. Now it's 0 is equal to 0 and theta into 1, theta, right, here it's 0, this time also it belongs to 0, right? If you multiply the value, and minus theta cube divided by 3 factorial, theta cube divided by 3 factorial. Now the first two terms, it's option B, right? Theta minus theta cube divided by 3 factorial. Again, if you expand up to the fifth, theta minus a the whole power 4 divided by 4 factorial into f4 dash of a, again 0. Again f5 dash of a, again we are getting plus 1. While multiplying, it's theta 5 divided by 5 factorial. Is it clear now? It's a condition. Is it okay now? It's a series expansion sin theta. And the one more question I will explain it. And the third term in the Taylor series expansion of e power x about a would be, what will be the third term? We don't want to confuse anything. Directly we can take the value from the question. So how we are taking the value, I will explain it. Listen, the general formula for the Taylor series, it's f of x is equal to f of a first term plus second term x minus a divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a second term plus third term x minus a the whole square, it's whole divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a. This is the third term. In the third term, x minus a the whole square we are getting, right? In the third term, x minus a the whole square. So directly we can take, so this will be the third term, right? Here f double dash of a we need to identify. It's a function f of x. So this is the function f of x is equal to e power x. What about the f double dash of x? If you differentiate 2 times, again e power x. What about the f double dash of a? A is equal to e power a. Now substitute here. If we substitute e power a, then fourth term it will be, so third term, e power a divided by 2 factorial is equal to 2 into x minus a the whole square. So this will be the answer. It's a civil 1995 1 mark question, right? So now we are going to discuss 2 more questions, then you will get the complete clarification. Here, Taylor series expansion of sin x about x. Sin x about x is equal to, it's a value of a. Here a is equal to pi by 6, right? It's a is equal to pi by 6 is given by. It's a civil engineering 2000 1 mark question. It's a 1 mark question, so we can crack this question within a minute, right? We don't want to spend too much time. Now first we need to look at the options first. For these kind of questions, first we are going to look into the options. First term, yes, it's common in the option A and D, okay, but in the option B and C differs. Coming to the second term, in all the second term it varies, right? There is no second term in the D. So up to the second term, if we identify, then we can conclude the answer. We can conclude the answers. So how we are going to calculate? Listen, first one, the function. What is the function? This is what first we need to decide. What will be the function? F of x is equal to sin x. So this is the function, right? Then what we require? Taylor series. We know the Taylor series formula is equal to f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a up to the second term, and we can up to second term itself we can conclude the solution for the question. Now f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a. First one, f of a. Identify the f dash of a. F of x it's equal to sin x. From this, what about the f of a? That is equal to f of pi by 6. It's equal to sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is equal to 1 divided by 2. Next one, f dash of x is equal to cos x. It's equal to f dash of a is equal to, that is f dash of pi by 6 cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6. What will be the value for the cos pi by 6? It's a root 3 divided by 2. Cos pi by 6 is equal to root 3 divided by 2. Now we need to conclude the expansion. From the expansion we can conclude the solution. Now take this question f of x. Here it's f of x is equal to, what will be the value of f of a? It's 1 divided by 2 plus x minus a. X minus a is equal to pi by 6. A is equal to pi by 6 divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a is equal to, it's root 3 divided by 2. Now the first 2 term itself we can conclude the solution. The first 2 term itself, the solution is equal to option A, right? And it's 1 divided by 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 into x minus pi by 6, right? So it's a simple step. Taylor series, the repeatedly coming topic, so we can crack it very easily. So you need to remember only one formula, okay, that the f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a. So this problem, right? Okay. The one more question now I'm going to give you, and quadratic approximation. So quadratic approximation means it's a Taylor series. So how we are concluding this approximation is quadratic, and the Taylor series expansion itself, it's constant. Second term linear, okay, f of a constant, x minus a linear, x minus a the whole square quadratic. So we need to expand the series. I will tell you the series f of x is equal to f of a and plus x minus a divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a plus x minus a the whole square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of a. Is it clear? It's quadratic. Now x minus a the whole cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of a, and if you consider this term here, it's constant. In case they are asking up to the constant, it's constant. It's linear up to this second step, linear up to the second step. Up to the third step, it's quadratic. It's a quadratic. Up to the fourth term, it's cubic. It's a cubic. And again fourth term, and then higher order terms. We are moving to higher order. So here the quadratic approximation they are asking. In the quadratic approximation, f of x function they are giving. So up to the third term we need to expand. And f of x they are giving f of x is equal to x cube. So it's a f of x function. X cube minus 3x square minus 5. Up to the f double dash we need to identify. Quadratic means up to the f double dash of x. F dash of x is equal to 3x square minus 6x. F double dash of x is equal to 6x minus 6. Right, the point about x is equal to 0. Now substitute from this point. F of 0 is equal to minus 5. Here f dash of 0 is equal to 0 and f double dash of 0 is equal to, what about the value? It's equal to minus 6. It's a minus 6. Now we are going to substitute all these values. Is it clear now? First one cubic, so 3x square minus 6x. The one more differentiation, 6x minus 6. Okay, now we are going to substitute the points. While substituting the points, f of x is equal to, first one f of a, it's minus 5, and x minus 0 divided by 1 factorial into f dash of a, it's 0 plus, and next one, it's a linear quadratic, x minus 0 the whole square divided by 3 factorial into minus 6. Now simplify this equation. Minus 5 plus 0 plus x square divided by 3 factorial into minus 6. Right, and if you simplify the equation, minus 5 minus 3 x square, and 3 factorial and 6, so we can simplify this equation, right? Oh sorry, it's 2 factorial. Yeah, it's 2 factorial. 2 factorial and 6 simplified, then we are getting the final value. It's equal to minus 5 minus 3x square. Therefore the solution for this question is equal to option B, minus 3x square minus 5. Is it clear now? I hope it's clear for all the students. So this is the Taylor series expansion, and by practicing these formulas and these methods, so you can easily crack the Taylor series questions. So complete course on engineering mathematics. So I am handling complete course on engineering mathematics. Mathematics for GATE 2022 and GATE 2023 in Unacademy Plus. In Academy app, right? In Unacademy app, Unacademy Plus class I'm conducting it. So try to take the subscription so that you can get the complete clarification. It's common for all branches. This course is common to all the branches. So if you subscribe to the Plus platform, you can avail the benefits in the Plus platform. Okay. Thank you, students. In next video, we are going to start the integral calculus.